Hello everyone, welcome. Mayu Kitchen, Mayu Kitchen, Mayu Kitchen, come, Mayu Kitchen, Mayu Kitchen. Okay, today I'm come to show you something, yeah? So I hope if you are new in this channel, if you are new in this page, welcome to Mayu Kitchen. Welcome to Mayu Catering Services. And today I'm come to show you some recipe, some chicken recipe you can use for your Christmas or your party, yeah? Because you always eat one way chicken, one way roasting chicken. So I'm come to show you the easy way and the yummy way you can. This is my chicken season. I'm going to use butter, yeah. I'll add mayonnaise. I'll add black pepper and salt to it. And this is my rosemary. And I'll add parsley to it. Lemon, garlic. Fresh pepper is optional. Fresh pepper is optional. You can stop or you can add it to it. I prefer to add pepper to it, yeah? And you can see how yummy it looks. Kai for chicken. See how the for chicken look. See how yummy it's going to be. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this page and learn more. Yeah, bye bye.